when birds have nested. Installing bird exclusion netting is the only effective bird control method. Bird netting creates a physical barrier that permanently prevents birds from gaining access to unwanted nesting areas. Exclusion netting can be installed on historical buildings, parking garages, HVAC systems, bridges, aircraft hangars, loading docks, residential homes, and more. Let AviAway develop a bird defense plan for your specific problem. With over 30 years of designing and installing bird control systems, AviAway will ensure the best bird control program that is both quick and effective. Call AviAway today for free, or find more information on our website.